Welcome all, good day. My name is Evgeny and I taken part in a PHP developer full stack course, 1-year course by Alexander Makhaev, and we had a first class on October 13th, and here I want to share my experience about 2 weeks of starting this educational course. First of all, I had very nothing or very less experience in programming. Before this course, I decided to shift my activity, my main occupation to programming because of freelance ability, to be not dependent on a place, to be able to live in any place and be not dependent on any like a place job, regular job. So this was my decision, and before taking the present course, I was searching in internet, see a number of videos on YouTube, and also took 2 free courses. That was 1 week courses, about 4 or 5 hours a day it took for me. First course was dedicated to related to HTML and CSS, and second course was related to Python. It was just beginners test courses, and it took me totally 3 weeks. So that was my background. Then we started. Actually, first class, it was 2 weeks back. It was just 1 hour plus, little bit. And we made an environment, CMD, localhost. Actually, we downloaded PHP program from the website, PHP, download, last version, and we can download for Mac or for Windows, whatever we have. So after downloading that, it became able to make a first page like hello world, and we done this during the first class. Then the most important thing that I understood from the first class, that during this education first year I should be able to make one good project, and at least myself I should use it. It should be useful and practically convenient and working. And the most important and second important thing, that was that principal point, that creative energy should be engaged in the process. Then Alexander, my mentor, he gave me homework. He mentioned that in a Telegram chat, and he explained that the skill is needed to be developed is that I should be able to solve any task, any situation, any problem with myself. It can be internet can be used or whatever, and if I cannot do, then I can ask him. And the task was to make a first function with the CRUD technology: create, read, update, and delete. So I decide to do follows: to make a home page and name my project as a balance, then to make a header, balance, and wake up time, then to make a database and to be able to inquire data from the database, and then realize 4 functions: create some fields, form with apply button, then to make read information from the database, then update any line of the list and delete any line of the list. So this was my plan, and then I started. Next thing that we done also during the class, we download VS Code. This is the special program for the coding. Then I start read the theoretical materials that Alexander kindly provided me related to the PHP learning. This book, my task was to read 4 chapters of the book, so I done that. Then I start practically do the things. Every information was given in a book. I retype in VS Code and see practically what is happening. Then real result in localhost was looking like this. This was the first chapter of the book. Then Second chapter of the book was in code. It was looking like this. In the browser it was looking like this. Then third chapter of the book and the fourth chapter. Okay. Then I start to make try to apply theoretical information in my practical way. So the first project that I realized was looking like this: welcome to the Balance Club. And then I tried to make some forms that was my experience. You put a form and your name coming here. And then also this was my first functions that I realized according to that knowledge. And I made some of the forms correct. Then another page is coming, P1. Then again this dates and send. You woke up at 5 something, correct, coming back. That was what I could be able to do after first 5 days of the study theoretical program materials.